In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Counter-Strike 2 in Windows laptop or PC. So for this, first we need to download Steam and later I will show you how to install it in it. So let's get started. First thing, just Google Steam. You'll be having this official site store.steampowered. Click it, and here to the rightmost top we'll be having install Steam. Click it, and here we are having install Steam button. Select this, and the setup file gets downloaded within a flash, just 2 MB in size. Open it, and we'll be getting the Steam setup. Just click on next and choose the language of your choice. I will go with English. Next, and this is going to be the default location where Steam will be getting installed. It's in local disk C and program files. So this is an important step. If you feel you don't have space in your local disk C, you can just click on browse and change the location to local disk D or E. Okay, so after setting the location, just click on install. This will take some time, just be patient. That's it, it's done in a flash. And check this run Steam and click on finish. So it's saying updating Steam and it's downloading, so just be patient for a while. So after this you will be getting Steam sign in. So if you already have an account, you can directly sign in. If you don't have an account, here we are having create a free account. Click it. So you need to enter all these details before creating an account. So once you sign in, you will be taken to an interface like this, and here in the search the store, just search for CS2 and we'll be having this Counter-Strike 2. Select it, and if you scroll down over here, we are having play game. Click it, and we'll be getting few options over here. Make sure that you're checking this create desktop shortcut, and this is also fine. And this is going to be the local disk where this game is going to get installed. If you feel you have very less space over here, just click on settings, and here you can change the location or the drive where you want the game to be installed. I'm fine with this. I will just select install. So it's saying starting download. I will click it, and this is almost 49 GB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once the download is complete, you'll be having the play option, and also you'll be having the desktop shortcut. Just open it. We are into the game and you can just start playing it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.